Okay, I'm going to model for you how to subtract decimals. Just to review how to read decimals. Whenever you have the decimal with one number, that's tenths. So we would read this 5/10. Whenever you have a decimal with two digits, that's hundredths. See, tenths, hundredths. We would read the first one as 5/10. We would read the second number as 63 hundredths. This number we would read as 136 thousandths. Thousandths, hundredths comes right before that. Tenths comes right before that. Okay. Now, the number one rule when subtracting decimals is to line up the decimals. So in this example, I have six wholes and 3/10. I'm going to subtract 1 and 29 hundredths. Now remember, the bigger number goes on top. The bigger number would be 6 and 3/10. This number is bigger because it has 6 holes. This number only has 1 hole. It doesn't matter that there's 3 digits here. The top number is still bigger. So what we're going to do is add a 0 here. Now we can subtract. So 0 take away 9. Okay, I can't actually do that. So I'm going to regroup from my neighbor. Now I'm going to take 1 away. This becomes a 2. And this becomes a 10. 10 take away 9 is 1. 2 take away 2 is 0. I have to line up my decimal. 6 take away 1 is 5. So my answer is 5 and, we can read the decimals and, 1/100ths. And I said 1/100th because there's 2 spots. And we know that whenever there's 2 digits, that's hundredths. I'll practice another example right here. Let's say I have 3 and 7/100ths. Take away 1.3. I know 1.3 is less than 3 and 7/100ths. So again, you want to always make sure your decimals are lined up. I can add a 0 here as a placeholder. Now I can subtract. 7 take away 0, 7. 0 take away 3. I can't do that, so I'm going to regroup from my neighbor. This becomes a 2. This becomes a 10. 10 take away 3 is 7. Line up my decimal. 2 take away 1 is 1. And that is my answer.